Hi everyone, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel today, and this video was not planned. Well, it was planned, but like not today. So I've just got back from work, so if I look like I look disgusting, so that's why. Don't judge me. It is what it is. Anywho, today we are going to be looking at my Jeffree Star mystery box. I got the premium one. There was 3 sizes. I got the middle size because there's an exclusive item in like each one, and I knew the premium one had the liquid lipstick in, and that's the one I wanted. Like, so I got this one. I would have wanted to get more, but your girl doesn't have the money for that. So one it is, and this cost me a bit as it is. So overall it cost me $60 for the box. It cost me $20 to ship it to the UK because I live in the UK, and then to get it from customs it cost me £19.59. So pretty expensive, but I'm hoping we get some good items in it. I do own a few Jeffree Star products. I own a few of the liquid lipsticks and nearly the entire Shane Dawson collection, because it was one of the most, like, I love Shane, I love Jeffree. It was one of the best collaborations ever. This video is not about that, but it was really good. I do have a video about it, which I will link if I remember to in one of these somewhere up there. Let's get into the box. Going to open the box. Oh my god. Oh, this is what I'm seeing. Okay, so firstly I'm seeing some stickers. Now, I saw the whole controversy about these, about them being in the deluxe box, and everyone was like, oh, you just get 2 products on this, but like I quite like these stickers actually, looking at them. Like, they're very well made, very good quality. I love the hand. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, because I don't really use stickers. But I feel like journals or scrapbooks or something, this would be like really good. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I quite like that. I really like that. Not bad. The next thing I am seeing is a Jeffree Star, obviously, a liquid frost in the colour Heatwave. And it looks to be a nice gold. I don't own any highlighters by Jeffree Star. Never even a thingy. Not any palettes or any of the Supreme Frosts. That's what it's called, aren't they? Oh, it's pretty dark. This is what it looks like. It might be a bit too dark for my skin tone. I will try it though. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work for my skin tone, because I'm always down for a good highlighter, and if it's Jeffree Star, it's gotta be good. So I'm gonna see if I can get this liquid frost to work for me. Okay. Moving on to the next item, I see a velour liquid lip in the shade Queen Supreme. And this is a this is a very bright baby pink. Oh, it's not as bright as I thought it would be. I don't know if this would suit my skin tone. I quite like this colour, but I don't know if I could rock it as a liquid lip, but I'm gonna try. We'll see. But I'm definitely gonna attempt to use it as an eyeliner, because obviously Jeffree Star liquid lips are safe for all around the face, which is incredible. So I would want to try it as an eyeliner as well. Next item. Oh, it's the one I was excited about. It's the Liquid Lip Mystery exclusive that's only available in this box. So it looks, so I'm excited. Let's get this out and see what it's like. Okay, get out of the box. No, it's not empty yet. There's still stuff in the box. My cat's trying to jump into the box now. Wait a minute. Ooh, oh, this is going to be perfect for like Christmas, New Year's. Stop. Sorry. It's a very shimmery, glittery red. Oh, I really like this. I'm going to swatch it. The very nice, deep, glittery red. I feel like that is going to be perfect. I feel like that's going to be perfect for like any Christmas parties. Like, it's going to be really good. I really am happy about this. This is like what I wanted. It's why I got the box. So I'm very excited about this. Like, it's one of those like wearable shades that was coming in a mystery box that I've seen. I've seen a lot of videos about its past previous mystery boxes, and I wanted to get one of the Halloween ones so badly, but I was too late. I was too late in that. Anyway, moving on to the next one. Wow. It's wrapped in this blue thingy. It's the last thing in the box. But it's this big thing. Is this blue thing because is it the it is. Oh my god, it's the Blue Blood palette. Oh my god. Ugh, I ripped this. I ripped the tissue. It's the Blue Blood palette. God, oh, it feels so nice. Oh my god, I'll just... Oh my god, I've wanted this palette for so long. I want this in the blood... Oh my god, it feels... Oh my god, it's like the Shane Dawson one. It feels like the same weight as that. Oh, look at the cloth. It looks so nice. Oh, here's the Blue Blood palette. I'm actually so excited. Just a full-on full Blue Blood palette. That's crazy. Okay. I'm so excited to play with these. Expect a video coming soon. If I can actually get off my ass and actually do it. We'll see. Yeah, so that's everything that was in the box. So we had the Blue Blood palette, the Liquid Frost, and the Liquid Green Supreme, and then the mystery one. So, and then, oh, and the stickers. So I'm going to tally up what everything cost. So the stickers I'm not sure about because he's never done stickers, so I don't know. The palette, $52. Liquid Frost, $25. The liquid lips are like 18, aren't they, I swear? So let's just... I'm just going to put both of them as 18. And the stickers I'm not sure about, so I'm just going to leave them off. But overall that's $113 with just the 4 products. I have no idea about the stickers. So that's actually really value for money, and I'm very excited about these products. And the fact there's just an entire Blue Blood palette in that. Crazy. I'm super excited about it. I love mystery boxes as anything, and I love Jeffree Star, so overall I really enjoyed this mystery box, and I will definitely look at getting them again. I just need to, obviously now I know that there's customs that I don't know why I didn't think of it, because I didn't think it'd be that much, but I'm very happy with them. And there you go. Anyway guys, so that is my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below what your favourite product was. What do you think of the mystery liquid lips? And what do you think of the stickers? I've seen some negative things about them online, so I'm curious to see what everyone thinks. And subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.